Okay, everybody, so there's a ticking in this engine while pulling like a grade going up a hill, and sometimes accelerating kind of fast. It'll start to tick, and I got a video of it running and doing that. Well, I made one with a Tahoe a few years back, and the one comments everybody keeps saying, I wish you had some audio or video of it running with the noise to compare to see if that's the same noise they have. So now I am blessed with another opportunity to make another video of this very same problem. But I'm going to show what it sounds like, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like when I pull the starter off this thing. And it's still under the vehicle, but I'll give you a bird's eye view of it. Okay, can you hear this noise? As you accelerate, it gets a little worse, but if you notice, it's up on the being driven upon a 4-post. Okay, so this is still under the vehicle. I just unbolted it, but I'm going to show everybody while it's in the moment what I'm talking about. So here's the gear on the starter. There should be a spring in there to pull it back this way. But watch, I can. See how I can make it move with a screwdriver? You should not be able to do that with a screwdriver. If you can do that, the starter is bad. The spring that pulls it back is either broken or stretched, whatever the case is. That's just part of it, knowing it's a bad starter. But that's the problem with this ticking. But you can go back to the Tahoe one video I did a while back, and that'll give you another perspective on it too. But until the next time. Now look here. See this? Should not do that. Same truck, running, no ticking, don't hear none of that noise. So there it is again. I did a Tahoe one, but everybody said, like I said, they wanted to hear the noise. So this time I was able to get the noise before I took it apart. Didn't get ahead of myself, but hopefully it helps some people.